We can ready to have a flame off. See who B. I'm going with B, man. Ron, you better go with your best game, your best flame game. Not a drip.
Oh no, you doing an upper, you gonna have a little bit of.
Well, you better clean it up good. Better clean the drip up. Better clean the drip up. I'm about to give y'all $1,600 for putting this hot water tank in. I better not see a drip, man. I ain't paying. If I see a drip, I ain't paying nothing. Oh, so you're going to drip, yeah. Go ahead, man. Ron, we're going to extract it when you get done. Let me go get my glass. So it'll take y'all a long time to get that boy going. Y'all need a jumper? What's that code?
3. I count 3.
Huh?
Blower on.
It is? Quiet than a mug, ain't it?
Yeah.
You sure you got R&G? I mean R&W?
R&W1. But it's still flashing.
Yeah. What's the code? Code right there. What you need, man?
Like I said, if you keep, because like, so I put the heat here.
The cutter? No, I ain't got the cutter. I gave you the keys in there.
Because if you heating down here, you heating up all of this shit, and that's just gonna drip.
Well, we got drips.
Where? Nah,
He got it looking good, don't he? See what I'm saying? All right, big fella's on you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Man.
You want? Give me a straight piece, just going straight out.
That straight.
This straight piece right here. There you go. Clean him off. Throw him on there. Let me see what you got. See if you got no drips, man. Please don't give me no drips, man. Man, y'all want to go? Ain't no sense.
Hit that solder. If you do get it, just hit it with the towel.
Yeah, I want to say that's still hot, but nah, this the lost art.
Yeah, I got it right here. I got a rag. If it's still hot, you hit it with the rag. It's gonna cool him down.
You still got a solder a couple pieces here.
You know what I'm saying? That's gonna close. That's gonna.
When it comes to sweating powder,
Yeah, you good now? Go ahead.
I'm coming with my
It's on you. It's on.
If I bust that MAP gas out,
Charging yo.
if I bust that MAP, you gonna pay me extra after how I'm done.
Oh, I see it right here.
You have some customers that that's all they want is solder. I don't want you pressing it. Like,
Really?
yeah.
Those are the ones that stand up on the shoulder.
You want it done or you want it?
So y'all know how to hook up a blower motor, right?
Pay for what you get.
The orange wire is what? Where the orange wire going on?
You said hook it.
That's the thing.
Oh yeah, I do that. Yeah, you put that little hook on it so you can come around. So remember,
Orange wire gonna be what?
clean that up.
On parts, right? What's the fastest speed on blower's wire? What color is the blower wire? What color is the wire that's the fastest speed? Yeah. So that's gonna go where? High what? High heat.
No, high cool. High cool.
High cool?
Almost back here.
That's a big toe.
And when you do it,
High cool.
so since you
You gonna put,
Go on to heat.
on that run,
huh?
Blue go on to heat.
for real, once you tap it, man, most of the time you only gotta tap it
Factory
here to
blue
here,
go on to
and
heat.
then once you see it, like if you see a little bit of black,
Black go on.
And I appreciate you stopping by, man.
All right, then.
Okay.
Chance, I'm gonna leave the doors unlocked over there.
Okay, I'll go over there today when we leave here. Okay. I'll call you soon as we get ready to leave out here. I'll hit you up.
All right, man.
All right, there.
Take the hotter you right off.
Small world, man.
Yep.
Oh.
Take the heat off. Take the heat off of it. Yep. Now move.
These are the barbecue spot.
Got it.
And I was gonna tell you, since you on the
Do it on top.
since you on the vertical run,
So you just grazing, man. That's good.
It's gonna come right around it. When you had it the first time